Hi, Monty Merrick here, Humboldt Wildlife Care Center and Bird Ally X, and I am introducing a bunch of videos that we've taken from over the summer. You'll see them below in this blog post, and I'm talking to you on video because I wanted to just have a moment to just directly shoot the breeze with you, our supporters and people that read our blog, to talk to you about our summer. We've had the busiest year we've ever had in our history this year, and we are 950 animals have been treated by the Humboldt Wildlife Care Center so far in 2018, and we are still 3 months to go in the year. So maybe this is the new world that we live in. It's hard to say. A lot of strange things have happened this year. We have an acorn woodpecker who arrived as a featherless hatchling at the second week of September. That's kind of unusual. We have a fawn in care who is still a couple months from being weaned. Again, unusual. But regardless of what comes our way, we're going to rise to the challenge of taking care of it, especially with your support. But we do have bills to pay from the season, residual, lingering bills. We have a water bill, we have rent bills, we have electric bills, we have food bills, we have medicine bills. Like I said, 950 animals were cared for by us, and we still have, another 300 perhaps to care for before this year is over. And we're going to need your help. We do a pretty awesome job here providing state-of-the-art wildlife rehabilitation, and we do it on hardly any money, which means that we're doing it with innovation, and we're doing it with improvisational techniques using materials like for our housing that are either donated or we find, and we make do with what we can. And in fact, that's part of our mission. And we have a shoestring budget. We operate on 2017 less than 100. It was about $100,000 that year that we raised, and we spent every dime of it. And this year we're not even close to $100,000. And we have a full-time staff person, and who's my assistant, and we have a part-time rehabilitator, and we have a part-time volunteer coordinator, and these people are critical to us getting our job done. And we need that, we need them, and we need the water for our pools and the repairs. We have seabirds are on their way in. It's one of the wonderful things about Humboldt, really, is that we have such a wonderful overwintering, ducks and loons and shorebirds, all kinds of patients who overwinter here. I mean, not just patients, they're here, the healthy ones are doing a good job too. But we do see Aleutian cackling geese come in starting in October, after they arrive here. Some of them, it's a long flight from the Aleutians, and they arrive sort of emaciated. And when they get here, maybe they need help. Some might need help immediately, or they land in the wrong place, or the pasture that they're accustomed to is flooded, or something has changed, and they get into trouble. And of course, they're also hunted. And every year we treat a few that are gunshot victims. So in any case, we need to raise money. If we raised $10,000 by the end of October, we would be in a much better position. That would have paid off our entire summer debt. We'd be up to speed on everything, and we'd be ready to launch into our winter of providing care for the overwintering animals and anybody else that needs our assistance, as well as prepare for and get everything together for the challenges of 2019, which every year everything is a little bit more. So we can only anticipate that 2019 is going to be challenging as well. So take a look at this. Some of these videos are just awesome videos of animals that we treated in 2018 over the summer that I didn't have a chance to share with you earlier in the summer. So there's like chestnut-backed chickadees and a pelican release and raccoons and stuff like that. And it's just a glimpse into the work that we do, and the privilege of some of the patients that we actually get to care for. And I appreciate the opportunity to talk directly with you, our supporters, because you guys, even if you don't know me personally, and I don't know you personally, we definitely feel at a very personal level the impact of your support. our jobs are very important to us, very, personally meaningful, and when you guys help us get it done, we feel that, and we really appreciate that you love the wild as much as we do. And thank you, and check out the videos, and also a little bit more from me about the waterfowl aviary and some of the other stuff. And I hope it's not too repetitive. And if you decide to deliver a donation by hand or become a volunteer, then I look forward to seeing you at the clinic. And take care, and hope you have a good fall, and the holiday season coming up. Take care. Bye.